Kato.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to, like, show their toes? Show me your toe.
She's so brave, she's well behaved.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Are you mad I brought a baby to your house?
Roundabout cowboy. Hey, no.
Oh, it's just your demise.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
What? See him laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Quit! Evie. Boopy boopy boop boopy boop boopy boopy boopy.
Nice.
No. Any illegal contraband? No. Let me see.
Lasagna is being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
This dumbass fell asleep in the water.
Space. I get that you
You ready?
Hold on. Okay.
scaring me.
gonna do it.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
I know.
Say yeah!
Somebody once told me the word.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't bite his tail. What is going on here?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh my god.
Ven, support.
Be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay?
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass?
You going on a ride? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean. Ow.
To you too.
Oh, shit!
Why?
Fucking relax. Thank you. You like the smell?
Mom.
Meow.
Oh!
Ze heeft hetzelfde.
Who did this?
and my head hit the wall. Boom.
From the basement?
Don't bite his tail.
Penelope Panini! You come here right now!
You got that right. Oh, I see it.
Не надо.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
See your handstand. Damn straight.
Hello. It's me.
Of mine.
All day without you doing something bad.